Hello everyone. Welcome to our weekly stock market update. My name is Avirup Dey, founder of AV Defensive, helping you here to earn financial freedom and live a better life. Before we begin, please note whatever being discussed here is only for case study and education purpose. Do not apply this analysis into live market without having proper trainings, guidance, and risk management protocols. Hope you all have started this new year with a bang and enjoying your trading when market has already given us enough opportunity in the very first week of 2022. But remember, market is not going to be so kind all the time, so that you must stick to the rules and protocols of trading, right? Great. So let's start and see where we are standing as on 7th Jan 2022. As you can see, market has started the year with a positive move. Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, Sensex all were bullish at the closing day of this week. Nifty Mid Cap 100 and Small Cap 100 are also done well and closed with 0.50% and 0.37% upside respectively. Total 1182 number of stocks were positive, whereas near about 939 stocks have declined during end of the week. If we talk about the sectors, overall this week all the sectors have done well except IT and pharma. IT and pharma, as we have seen, was doing exceptionally well since last few weeks, but while closing of this week both of these sectors were down. VIX is at 17.60 in a quite comfortable level till now. Market is neither in accumulation nor in the distribution zone. Both side has the equal opportunity. That is what VIX is indicating to us. If we have a quick look into the activities of institutions, FIIs and DIIs both have made good investments comparing to the last week of December 2021. And this is the reason we have found the bullish energy in the market in this first week of the new year. If we see the overall performance of last 1 week, all these major indices of India's stock markets were positive. But at the same time, if we see the US market as of 7th Jan 2022, except New York Stock Exchange, all the other indices Nasdaq, S&P 500 and Dow Jones were in negative side. Well, now let's move to the chart of Nifty and see how market has moved in last 1 week and where it may go in coming week. On Friday, Nifty has opened gap up at 17,797, made a high at 17,904. In second half, it goes down and fills the gap. You can see this was the gap up opening, and in second half, it fills the gap. It bounced back exactly from 17,700 level and finally closes at 17,818. Last Friday, that is 31st December 2021, here we saw Nifty took support at 50-day moving average. You can see here it makes a strong green candle and from there it continued the upside journey. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday sharp upside movement was found and it tried to break its resistance level at 17,900. But on Thursday it fell down near to its support level again, which is at 17,600. Next day Friday it made a good recovery and again closed to 17,800 with a positive opening indication for the next week. If you see the put call ratio is near 1 and in a zone from where if Nifty need to break its resistance level, then it has to cross 17,900 with a speed. Markets is second half of November until entered December. Second half of November means here in this area, and till the entire December here we see it was in neutral and was moving within a range, right? as if it is taking some rest after a long bullish journey which started from April 2020 after market crashed due to the COVID. At the end of first week of 2022, here in this area, Nifty is well placed above its both 50-day and 200-day moving average. Overall market in the beginning of 2022, as I see, I would suggest do not get panicked due to COVID news or other external factors, and do not assume that market is going to crash and will go down again till 12,000 level. I don't see any of the chances. There is huge growth for next 2, 3, 4 years and keep on riding the journey along with market. A small correction will always be there, but that will not hold the market to reach higher highs, right? Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope it helps you understanding the market and take your trading position accordingly. Before we close, please read the disclaimer once again and adhere to that. Please like and share this video so that it helps others in your circle to understand the market and take the decisions accordingly. Also, please click the subscribe button below so that you do not miss any of our upcoming videos in this channel. To get stock specific updates and other important information on daily basis, do join our Telegram channel which is free for lifetime. Please find the link below. Those who want to open Demat account, I have added the link of Zerodha. You can click on the link and open your free Demat account and start trading. Okay guys, that's all for today. Have a great week ahead and we will again catch up on next Sunday. Stay connected with AVD FinServe, earn financial freedom and live a better life. Thank you very much.